Brand new construction with contemporary farmhouse design. An award-winning Glenbrook South High School. What connects them? They all describe this stunning home at 1424 Magnolia Street in Glenview. Upon entering, you'll immediately notice the clean line minimalism and bright and airy atmosphere.
Look into my eyes. Deep into my
Spacious
soul.
open layout that promotes flow and connectivity, featuring a large kitchen with sleek appliances and a huge courtside island and built-in coffee maker.
I'll never let you go.
An entertainer's dream with not only one, but 2 bar areas. But we'll get to the second bar in a minute. Are you ready to take it to another level?
The sun is yet to
With 3 bedrooms, a hall bath, a gorgeous loft, and a convenient laundry room. The primary bedroom is your very own Zen sanctuary to escape all the noise and distractions of everyday life. The serene ensuite bathroom has heated floors and a towel rack warmer. One of the biggest showers I've ever seen with 2 shower heads.
look into my eyes.
In the lower level, you'll find an entertainer's dream with amazing heated floors. And here's that second bar I promised you, along with a 5th bedroom and a full bath, and of course this gorgeous wet bar. And the elegance doesn't end here. The exterior offers plenty of warm weather entertainment space with a huge covered deck and a big fenced-in yard. And all this luxury is located on 1/3 of an acre and a couple blocks from Indian Trail Park. And for exclusive access to all of our listings, be sure to like and subscribe.
Trust it.